Here's how to scrape Temu listings without any coding knowledge. For this, we will use the Temu scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Now, type your search. Then press on the extension. Then press Extract Listings. As you can see, we extracted the items in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. As you can see, the more we scroll down, the more we extract. Now press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted. You can also customize the data however you want. To do this, go back to the extension. Scrape your data again. Now, make sure this pop-up is open when you do this. Press on the extension again. Then press Customize Fields. In here you can customize the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And lastly, you can also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. After exporting, here's our new customized data.